Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Greatly appreciate it. Now, today's video is a look right here. It is the Halo eye look. And I think I did a fantabulous job if I don't say so myself. I like the look. I like how it came out. And we have a reason for putting makeup on today. Because I am going out tonight. Yes, I am going out tonight. Oh, alright guys, so if you want to know how I got this look and what I did and what makeup product I slapped on my face, then sit tight because without further ado, we'll be starting right now. Okay, so I got my bare face and it's time to do our makeup. So I got my hair all clipped back and everything. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hill and of course do my brows, fix my mirror, and brush my brow hair out. This time I'm actually going somewhere, so I don't have to put my makeup on in vain. So that's a good thing, right? Not that it's ever in vain, but normally when I put my makeup on, it's usually at night, and then because I'm recording, and then I'll like wash it off because then I go to sleep right after. So, but this time everyone can see my makeup. Everyone as in like the people outside, not on the internet. Whatever. You get what I mean. Next, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance and prime my lids. Sometimes I use like an eye primer. Other times I just use a concealer. So, just depends what I feel like doing that day. Alright, lids are nicely primed. And now we get to do our eyeshadow. And today I kind of feel like doing a Halo eye look. I haven't done Halo eye in such a long time. I feel like I need to still practice a little bit if you know what I mean. I mean, there's like this one specific look that I'm always doing every single time. Like a specific pattern on my eye because I know it looks good on me and it's just, I've been practicing it for a long time. But yeah, today, Halo eye. We're gonna do it guys, Halo eye. So the palette we're using today is the Dominique Latte palette right here. Taking your palette, I'm going to use a nice big fat brush. I'm going to pick up some vanilla cream and just place that all over my lid. I want to give my lid a nice base to work with. And I know if you put a nice like bone color, base color on your lid, it helps with like the blending process as you add more colors on. That's pretty much the main reason why. Well, I'm sure there's more reasons, but that's why I do it. Alright, that's good enough. Now, picking up the color Caramel, I'm going to put that basically as like a transition color right where my eye socket is, like so. I'm hoping the camera picks up all the color and the pigmentation because if you watch my video, you should know by now this palette is amazing. So now I'm going to pick up some Cold Brew on a really small, tiny brush. And I want to use a small brush so I can like really fine line and detail out what I'm trying to do. And I'm going to place that on the outer third and the inner third of my eyes. So you want your eyes to look something like this. So like the outer third and the inner third. Capiche? So we got our Cold Brew on and I think it's looking pretty good. Now using that same brush, and I'm not going to even bother cleaning off the Cold Brew from the brush. I'm going to dive right into the double shot. That way I feel like if you mix the colors together, it kind of like gives that little blendy color. You know what I mean? So just use that same brush and dip into the double shot, which is a nice beautiful purple color. And then just kind of like use that same brush and kind of sweep it across and blend it through with the purple. So just like that. So we got the double shot right towards the center of the eyes, but still leaving that space. Now picking up some pumpkin spice on a brush like this. We're going to tap off the excess and lightly, ever so lightly, pass that around on your eyelid like so. Like so. I mean, you want to like have it barely showing, but enough that it is showing. You know what I mean? And then if you feel like you're showing a little too much, just get like a little fluffy brush and just kind of fluff it through a little bit. And that should do the trick. Alright, now we're getting to the more halo-y part, which is the center of the eyelid. Okay, so now for the center, you can use whatever color you want, but I'm going to go ahead and still use the same palette. It has 3 gorgeous shimmer colors. It has Espresso, Macchiato, and Creme Brulee. And I feel like for this look, a nice gold color, nice foil gold color will work perfectly. So I'm going to dive in with Creme Brulee. In my opinion, any like shimmery, glitter, foil type of eyeshadow, they work better with your fingers or a wet brush. I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers just because it's a tool I have. Why not use it, right? So we're just going to dab that right where there is no eyeshadow. Ooh, that looks pretty. That looks pretty. Alright, my eye look is coming together nicely, I feel like. It is coming together very nicely. I'm going to go ahead and kind of like fix up a little bit right here. Just adding in a little bit of that cold brew and double shot. Just mixing it together. So my eye look is almost done. I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeliner on. And today I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is currently my favorite eyeliner right now. It's just amazing. It feels like, you know, an artist brush. You know what I mean? So I'm going to do my eyeliner real quick. Okay, I'm back and I went ahead and put on my foundation and put my lashes on, my eyeliner, and my, what else did I do? Concealer, and then I set my face. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my bronzer. And I'm using my butter bronzer. And picking some of that up. And we're going to just kind of, I guess, bronze up some parts of my face a little bit. And then picking up my blush, putting that right on my cheeks like so. This blush is pigmented. Definitely pigmented. I feel like the camera is not doing justice, but yeah, this is super pigmented. So for my highlight, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild in Botanic Dreams. And I'm actually going to go in and add a little bit of color on my lower eyelid, lower lash line. I'm going to pick up some cold brew and add that on the outer third of my lash line. And then taking the macchiato color, add that to the inner part of the lash line. And even put that on the inner corner if you wish. So that is pretty much it for my video. Here is the final look. Of course, you guys saw what it looked like in the beginning of the video, but here it is again. And hopefully you guys like it. My halo eye look using the Dominique Cosmetic palette. And I did forget to mention one thing. I used just a dab. I mean, the cosmetic palette, the Dominique Cosmetic palette has beautiful foiled colors, but I wanted to add a little bit of glitter into it. So I added like a dab of Stila Cosmetic. So you don't have to use it if you don't want to. You can leave it as is with the foiled color, but I added a little bit of glitter because, you know, a girl likes her glitter. So added some glitter, and here's the final look, guys. And of course, all the makeup products I use on my face will be listed down below in the description box. Plenty of good information for you guys, so it behooves you to read it. So there you go, final look, and hopefully you guys like it. All right, so now it's time to clean up my mess and start to get ready to go out tonight. And yeah, all right guys. Oh, you can follow me on Snapchat if you want to follow my adventures, or on Instagram stories. I post on Snapchat and on Instagram, so kind of like I jump back and forth between the two. So yeah, all that information will be down below, links, all that good stuff. Follow me, social media, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. All right, bye.